What's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. All right, I'm back with another flip video. The last time I did one of these, I said it was going to be a while before I do another one because I didn't have like a lot of credits or whatever. But it has been a while and my credits kind of like more people watch my videos and I had a little chunk of money in there from people watching the videos. And so I opened the app one day to like look for something and they were giving me a very, very high percent off discount on top of the credits that I had. So I bought some stuff. And I know I'm on a low buy this year, but listen, I got everything that I am about to show you for only $17.62. So I really shopped smart and some of it is very useful, some of it not so useful, but you know, we all deserve to have like little treats here and there. If this is your first flip video from me, I am just going to run through it like really quickly. This is an app that you can buy things. They give you a hefty discount up first to get you to buy things. You get 50%, so 50 cents on the dollar. For everything you spend, you can get something on the house, which is a section of items that you can get for free. I ended up being able to get 4 items for free out of here. So that all kind of got worked into the discounts and everything. But you have to upload videos on the free stuff and stuff you buy money for. And when people are looking for products and they want to see a review video, if they watch your video, Flip actually pays you. And then that goes into a bank that you can either cash out and put in your bank, or you can spend it on Flip items, which is what I've been doing. And if you have any other questions about it, you can click on my Flip playlist in the description box if you want to see more deals that I got from this app. It has been like pretty great so far, but like I said, I only use it like when I am going to be getting like those deals. So let's jump into what I bought and we're just going to go through some of them. I also am going to be doing a dedicated video on one brand that I bought in particular. So we're just going to kind of run through those things. Also, side note, I am just getting over the flu. Like I look and sound so much better than I did. And I'm bringing that up because the next video you're probably going to see from me is a shop online at Sephora with me while I'm sick. And that video, I look absolutely terrible. But it's super fun because we just shop online on Sephora and I buy myself some goodies because, you know, I was sick and I had some gift cards. So just be prepared that if you subscribe to me or are one of my regulars, that the next video that you're probably going to see is going to be me sounding and looking terrible. It's just taken a while for my husband to render it. So because it's like a screen within a screen type thing. So just letting you know. Let's go into what I got from this flip haul here. I just want to give you some stats. So I ended up getting $180 worth of merchandise. I had a 60% off total cart coupon that they were giving me, which was incredible. That saved me $108. And then I had $58.71 in credits from people watching my videos, which I applied to the order. So I got everything here for $17.62. So can't beat it. Can't be mad at anything that I got because I basically paid nothing. I mean, under 20 bucks, who can get anything for under $20 right now? And I got a crap ton of stuff to show ya. Maybe not a crap ton, but for $20, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, the first item, very practical. I actually saw this item on, I think it was Instagram Reels or something. And this is kind of a pet hair brush from the actual company Indigo Petco. Now, Amazon has a ton of knockoffs of these, which are cheaper, but this is the actual, like, I guess, brand that like started it all. This is like a flat silicone broom that you can use on the carpet to get any excess pet hair out of the carpet that your vacuum does not pick up. And we all know I have little Jaxies and he does shed. Toby, my Prince Shih Tzu, does not shed. He's perfect in every way. But little Jaxie does shed. So I can vacuum my heart out every day and I still have like a little bit of like pet hair in the carpets. So I wanted to try this because the videos that people were posting were like out of this world. I will say now that I've had this product, I want to say some of the videos that these people are using, I think they're like putting pet hair on the carpets and then doing it. Like there's no way that people, unless people are just fucking disgusting. Like, I don't know, but there is just no way that people are living with this much pet hair. Like if you go and watch these videos, there is like whole dogs coming out of just a couple brooms of this stuff. I've actually already used it, obviously, because I'm about to show you the video, but this is the broom. This normally retails for like $40. Flip had it for $20, and then I was getting the 60% off, and then they used some of my credits. So I ended up only paying $1.96 for this guy. So it's a long broom. It's got silicone bristles on one side and then a squeegee kind of on the other side. I'm gonna pop up the video of me actually using it for the first time, and you can just like see how it works.
So you're supposed to use like little brush strokes like this. I'm using the bristle side, and oh, look at that. And that was just on one little part of the carpet. I'm imagining if you use this throughout the whole thing, you probably get like a lot more, but yeah, that's definitely took some of the pet hair off.
I will say it takes a little bit of elbow grease. Like, you really have to like work it and stuff. But honestly, for $1.96, I'm again not mad at it. The next items that we're going to look at are the other ones that I actually like paid money for, because the next items after this were all free. So I don't really like, can't put a price tag on them. But this was a selfish purchase. I don't need any of this, which you're about to see, but I wanted it. And Flip obviously was giving me the 60% off, and it's just it's too good of a deal to pass up. Plus I had the credits. So these are some cosmetics from M Cosmetics. Again, another brand that has been just shoved in my face on Instagram, and I really wanted to try it, even though I don't need any of it, but the packaging just looked so beautiful. And Flip actually has like almost the entire collection on their site. So I was able to snag everything in here for 60% off, plus applying my credits. And yeah, I think this is actually $160 worth of makeup in here. And then I only paid $15.66 for everything in here. So that's where my 17 bucks that I, paid for this whole order was $15.66 from here, and then $1.96 for the brush you just saw. So let's look at these items. I'm going to show them to you, but we're not talking about them because I'm going to have a dedicated video on what I think about these items. But we can go ahead and open them up and just look at them. So I ended up getting 6 things, and we'll just start off with the lips first. So I've got 4 lip products here. I do have 2 of the Soft Spoken lip creams. I got them in the shade Hush and Whisper. And these are just beautiful components. I can't be mad at it. They delivered on everything that I wanted them to be. Beautiful velvet liquid lip containers. So I got 2 of those babies. And then to go along with that, I did get 2 of the lip liners. I don't really use lip liners, but they were really highly rated on the actual M Cosmetics site. And I was like, okay, I just want to try, but I did get 2 of these. So yeah, that was, not terrible deal. I got 1 of the Heaven's Glow Radiant Blush. I need another blush, like I need a hole in my head, but this packaging is just so absolutely stunning. And then it is like a beautiful baked formula on the inside. You get a mirror. The packaging on these, everything that I wanted. So I'm not complaining, but like I said, I will do a dedicated review video on what I think about these. I have been using them, so I do have some thoughts. And then I did get the Portrait Mode Setting Powder, which is the one that totally set me off on, hey, I want to try this M Cosmetics thing, because the compact is just so freaking gorgeous. Look at this compact. It is absolutely stunning. It's checkerboard with a acrylic top with the logo in there, and it's gold, and I freaking love that. It's got a tiny little puff in it, and then it's got your powder on the inside. So happy that I picked that up. These are not cheap cosmetics by any means. I do think that they fall within like the K beauty style. They are pretty pricey. The Portrait Mode setting powder on the Cosmetics website is like $38, I think. The Heaven Glow blush is around $30 or something. The lips are like 24. So we're not talking like cheap makeup, but I really wanted to get my hands on them, and Flip offering a 60% discount was just how I was going to do that. All right, let's get into my free items. So these are the items that I did not have to pay for because I spent $180 worth. Wait, was it $180? Yes. Yeah, I think it was like $180 worth of yeah, because the Cosmetics makeup was $160 on its own and the brush was $20. So I had $180 worth of merchandise. So they were giving me $90 worth of free stuff. So you go into the section and I had to pick out $90 worth of free stuff. I don't know if you don't use it, you lose it type thing. I think that's what it is. So you want to max out that free on the house items if you can. So I did spend $90 on free things. The first one being a piece of clothing, another thing I need, like a hole in the head. But look how cute this thing is. So this is from a shop on Flip called Ellie. I don't know if this is like I don't know if Ellie's just like one of those brands that resells things, because the tag that came on here is obviously not Ellie. But this is what they call the Sadie tank. So it's a lightweight, almost crop length tank with some ruching on the side. I had to review this because it's a free item. So I'm going to pop the video of me wearing it right here. I am wearing the Sadie tank from the Ellie shop on Flip. This was one of my free items, so you know I have to review it. But I actually quite like it for getting it for free. I'm wearing the Sphinx color, which is kind of like a sandy nude, but it's really, really cute. It's really lightweight. It would be great for summertime or for the gym. I'm a little bit of a chunky monkey, so I did buy it in size large, but it does fit, I think, really, really well. It has a ton of stretch. I have it tucked into these kind of green wide leg cargo pants, but if I pull it out, you can see it's kind of like an almost cropped length. Very versatile for a lot of outfits. It does have this like side ruching right here, which is very flattering. It kind of like pulls you in a little bit. I'm really happy with it. I wish it came in more colors, and I would be willing to spend the $24.95 on it. So thanks, Flip. So yeah, I wish they had this in black. I went back to Flip to see if they had it in black because I would have paid the 25 bucks for it. But yeah, they don't have it in black. It's all these neutral colors. But super glad to have this. This is going to be great in the summertime when I go to the festivals and stuff. So super happy with that free one. The next free one, I have not reviewed this one yet. I just wanted to show you guys before I actually, take the tags off and review it and stuff. This is, and now listen, I have been looking for, I'm an EDM girly. I go to the hippie fests and stuff. So I have been looking for a bucket hat that was not polyester. All of the bucket hats that I have bought off of Temu or Shein have been polyester, and when you put them on, your head cannot breathe. Also, the music can almost not travel through the fabric, so it gets like a little bit like tunnely. So I have been looking for just a 100% natural fabric one, and they had a company on there called Contagious that actually had 100% cotton bucket hats. So I ended up getting one, and I thought it was super cute. It has the little CC logo tag thing here on the front, and looks like, oh look, UPF up to 50, so that's nice. So this is CC from New York or something like that. And yeah, I have the tags on it and stuff, so it's not going to look like great, but I can put on that. I can wear this to my festivals and stuff, and keep my face with the sun protection, but also just be like super cute. So very happy. I think this was like 20 bucks or something. I can't really remember, but I'm super happy with it. Like I said, I have been wanting a natural fiber bucket hat for like a really long time. This is gonna look super cute when I put my sprout clips on it and stuff. So really happy with this one. I'm like kind of digging it. All right, the final two free items. These are These are super functional, not really anything fun, but again, when you're like going through the on the house section and you've got $90 to spend, I didn't want to spend $90 like on a ceramic vase that I don't need, right? I try to be a little bit smart about how I'm getting my free stuff. So I got things that were practical, clothing and yeah. I know it's kind of funny, but listen, Hubs and I needed these, and if I was going to get them without having to pay anything, I might as well. So these are Aquasonic electric toothbrushes. Hey, say what you want, but these are going to get used. Hubs and I use an electric toothbrush every day. We are currently using the Gleam ones. They're the very like kind of thin handle, but they use a battery and I hate that. And these ones actually use a USB charger cord. And I know everybody is like, oh, yeah, like, no, I don't like the ones that have the super big bases that are like, freaking Mack trucks that you're trying to brush your teeth with. I like the slim design, don't take a lot of space up in your bathroom. They don't need a stand type thing. So I saw these, and although their bases are a little bit thicker than the Gleam ones, I think these are just going to work out for us because they are USB generated. I got myself the pink one and I got Hubs the green one. Wow, I can't find my little cloud cutter, so I've got to use like an X-Acto blade, but I want to open this up so we can like see all the pieces that come in here. This slides out like this, super pretty. I love this pink color. So it does come with like a travel case to put them in, which the Gleam does too. I really do like that because, we travel. Here is the actual toothbrush. Super cute. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, it's already pre-charged. And look, it lights up pink. Oh my gosh. So freaking cute. Let me see. Please lift tray. Okay, so there's your little charger cord. It's got some like, whatever. But also what I like is these little things. Look at this. So it's a 3M sticky on the back, and then you just put this on your wall and you can hang. I love that. I think that's great. I have this little Shop Miss A like toothbrush holder there that is wall mounted that we use right now. But I can't wait to when we redo the bathroom because you know how I am. Use these things to put on the wall and then we can just hang them and take them off. Oh, I love that feature. I love that feature. So yeah, I've got the pink, Hubs has got the green, and listen, for free, I ain't complaining. All right, that is my flip haul for $17.62. Let's run it back. I got the Indigo Petco pet broom. I got the 6M Cosmetics makeup items. I got the cute little neutral tank top. I got the cute Festival Girly bucket hat. And I got 2 electronic toothbrushes for Hubs and I. Now, comment down below and tell me if I did not do a good job on this one. Again, $20 in this economy, what the heck are you actually getting? It's like you can't even go out and buy a hot dog for that. I think I did a pretty good job. I would love to hear if you guys think I did a good job. I also want to know if you have tried out the Flip app and are having success or anything like that. I do highly recommend it, especially because a lot of brands on there have sales. Like Chantecaille, a very expensive makeup brand that I really love. They have items on there and sometimes you can get them like so cheap. And when Flip is offering you the discount, you might as well take it. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could like this video, it really helps me out. I would really appreciate it. If you could subscribe and hang out with me more often, I would also love that. But that's it, guys. I will see you on the next one. I love you so much, and I'll see you later.